Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
A couple days ago, my son was on his way to work, I-25, getting ready to exit, kind of a backup. He was in the right lane, keeping his distance. This lady pulls right out in front of him, slams on her brakes. We think it's an insurance fraud deal. What a piece of crap.
Okay, bye.
We might as well do exactly what the children say. Take the day off, hit the park and just hang. Barbecue on a few and put up the deuces. And if it's me, put the piece down the what they do. It's time to change my ways so we can save the day. For the children's sake and make a better place to play. If it's all good, we got your food, grip your wood. And if you ride it dirty like just flip and blow this. But do it real big exactly.
I was here way before you. I was here way before you. Did you not see him just pull in right now? It doesn't matter. I can still go pull it around there. It doesn't matter. You got to spin around, man. I was here way before you.
¿Y se va a ir? ¿Cómo le tomamos foto? Sí.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.